Hello students, in this video we will solve a problem related to diet problems. Here problem is one kind of cake requires 200 gram of the flour and 25 gram of the fat, and another kind of the cake requires 100 gram of the flour and 50 gram of the fat. Find the maximum number of cakes which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat, assuming that there is no shortage of the other ingredients used in making the cakes. Student, first we should be understand what is given in this question and what is the ask. In this question there are two type of cakes. Suppose first type of cake is A and second type of cake is B. I write here, let first type of cake A and second type of cake is B, and again consider let number of type A cake is X and B cake is Y. We consider that first type of cake make X cakes and B type of cake make Y cakes. Since A cake requires 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat, while B type of cake required 100 gram of flour and 50 gram of fat. Since available total flour is available is 5 kg and fat available is 1 kg. In this question asked that how many maximum number of cakes made from the 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat. Since Z is the objective function, Z equal to number of cakes maximum, that means X plus Y, because here we consider A type of cake is X and B type of cake is Y, and we should be maximize. Now we will form the constants. Here A type of cake requires 200 gram of flour, means 200x plus, and B type of cake requires 100 gram of flour, that means 100y. Availability of the flour is 500 kg. This is in the gram and this is 5 kg, and if we change this into the gram, then this will be less than or equal to 5000 gram. 5000 gram. Since 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, so 5 kg equal to 5000 gram. This is the first inequality. Or if we simplify it, then this will be 2x plus y is less than or equal to 50. This is the first constant. Second constant, since as you see here, first type of cake requires 25 gram of the fat and second type of cake is required 50 gram of the fat. Therefore, this will be 25x plus 50y. This will be less than or equal to, availability of the fat is 1 kg. So this will be less than or equal to, in 1 kg, that means 1000 gram. If you simplify it, then this will be x plus 2y is less than or equal to 40. This is the second. And non-negative constants, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0, because x and y are the number of each type of cakes, which is never negative. Now we should be draw the graph of these inequalities. First we write corresponding equation of each inequalities. Corresponding equation in first inequality will be 2x plus y equal to 50, and second will be x plus 2y equal to 40. Now here take point on first equation. This is the x and this is the y. If you take x equal to 0, then y equal to 50, and y equal to 0, then x equal to 25. From the second, we take one point x and y. If you take x equal to 0, then y equal to 20, and y equal to 0, then x equal to 40. Draw the graph of these equations on the rectangular coordinate system. X, x dash, y, y dash, and this is the 0. 0, 50. First write scale. What is the scale? Scale means 5 equal to 5 unit equal to 1 centimeter. 5 unit equal to 1 centimeter. First point is 0, 50. That means suppose this is 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and this will be 50. That means this point will be 0, 50. And next point is 25, 0. That means this is the 5, 10, 15, 20, and this is the 25. This point will be 25, 0. And join both points and write on this line 2x plus y equal to 2x plus y equal to 50. Now from the second 0, 20, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. This point will be 0, 20, and second is 40, 0. That means 5, 10, 20, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and this is the 40. That means this point will be 40, 0. And join these 2 points like this, and write on this line x plus 2y equal to 40. X plus 2y equal to 40. Now we will check these lines, these inequalities contain the origin or not. So we should be put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in first inequality. 0 plus 0 less than 50. This is the correct statement. So shaded region towards the origin. Shaded region towards the origin. And in the second, 0 plus 0 less than 40. This is also correct. So this will be towards the origin. Shaded region towards the origin. The dark shaded region O, A, B, and C. The dark shaded region will be the feasible region, and this is the bounded. So we can find the maximum or minimum values. Now we are find these intersection point. What is the coordinate of point B? These intersection point, that means intersection of first and second. This will be, if we multiply from multiply by 2 in the first, therefore this will be 4x plus 2y is less than or equal to 100, and this is the x plus 2y equal to 100, and this will be equal to 40. Now change the sign, this will be cancelled. This will be 3x equal to 60 or x equal to 20. Therefore y equal to, put in this 50 minus 2 into 20, this will be 10. So y equal to 10. This is the coordinate of B point 20, 10. Yes, 20, 10. Now find the corner points. Therefore, corner points A is coordinate of this point 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is the 25, 0, 25, 0. B is 20, 0. C is 0, 20, and O is 0, 0. These 4 points are the corner point of this a bounded area, that means feasible region. Now we should find the maximize z equal to x plus y. Since z equal to x plus y, this is the object function. Therefore, at A, z equal to 25 plus 0 equal to 25. At B, z equal to 20 plus 10 equal to 30. At C, z equal to 0 plus 20 equal to 20. And at O, z equal to 0. Here, at B, z equal to 30, which is the maximum. That means we can find the maximum number of cakes will be 30. This is the first answer. And number of each type of cakes and number of each types of cake number of cakes are A type is x equal to means 20 and B type is equal to 10. This is the second answer. That means we have find number of maximum cakes. We will made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat is 30, and in which number of A type of cakes will be 20 and number of B type of cakes will be 10. Now in the next video we will discuss about third type of problem related to transportation problem.